analyze our last bit of data. So I'm going to scroll over to select the product name you like best. And I'm going to select that column, L for me, and I'm going to copy it, or Control C. And I'm going to make a new sheet, and I'm going to pull it over to the end, rename it name, pie. So for this one, we are going to create a pie chart because we want to look at the total number of responses and then what each person, or the percentage chosen for each name. So I'm going to go up to A now and click into A1 and just Control V. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and, like we did before for coding, I'm going to go ahead and write teacher aid, and then my other name, teacher toolkit. Okay, and I'm just going to go through and tally these with a 1. So 1, teacher toolkit, teacher aid, teacher aid, teacher toolkit, teacher aid, teacher toolkit, teacher aid, teacher aid, teacher toolkit, teacher toolkit. So now what we want to do is we want to sum these. So I'm going to use my formula, equals sum. If I start typing it, there it is. Select the data I want it to start with, and then go down, hit shift, and then B13. Put a parentheses in there, and I'm done. So now I can scroll across like I do. I can select the box and then pull it across, and that'll give me a tally for both. So now pie charts are a little different. You have to have your data in the right columns in order to get it to show up. So I'm going to take teacher aid, copy it, paste, teacher toolkit, copy. And so instead of putting it here like you would in a bar chart, you have to put your categories under each other. So teacher aid, teacher toolkit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put the totals. So teacher aid was 7, teacher toolkit was 5. Now I'm going to go up and select insert, chart. It should recognize that I want to make a pie chart. And if it doesn't, I can just scroll down and find it. But in my case, it did. So now I've got my chart. Now this is a little bit different. For a pie chart, we really only need to get a title in there. And then we need to pick our colors. So let's go advanced edit. And let's call this product name. Okay, and then I'm going to go down to colors. And actually, you know what I'll do? I'll do colors a little differently. So I'm just going to say update. Okay, now I like the red because it goes with all my other graphs. But the blue, you want to pick a color that's maybe next to red on the color wheel. So instead, I'm going to go in and I'm going to pick a different shade of red, I think. So I could also do orange. Let's see what orange looks like. That's not too bad. Let me see what another one. A little too close for that. Ooh, don't like that at all. Okay, so I'm going to go with the orange, I think. There we go. I like that color best. So I've got a name. In this case, I keep my legend because I want to know what each of these colors represent. And if I look at my results, I can see that more people like teacher aid. So so that looks like it could be the name to go for, although I want to look at what other people came up with for names. Now, one thing with the pie is we've got a lot of white space over here. I don't know if we make it smaller. Yeah, that makes it a little less white space, a little more balanced. And there I am. I am done with analyzing my data.